Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make the strawberry jam in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to have the jam recipe. You can buy the recipe from Massimo's cooking store. Once you have the jam recipe, you can go to your stove. And I'm going to replace the ingredient with the strawberry. Okay, this is the recipe for the mixed jam, and we're going to replace the ingredients with strawberry. Okay, and for the strawberry guys, you can unlock the seed after you reach level 6 in your gardening hobby. Okay, I'm going to start cooking, and hold on. You need to adjust the heat level to avoid the bizarre food. Okay, done guys. And I've just unlocked the strawberry jam. Okay guys, and that's how you can make strawberry jam in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.